Okay, today we're going to take a look on the Daimler Advisor platform how to import existing portfolios. If you're at a particular firm, you can import if they're allowed to export. If you created the portfolio view here and saved it, you can identify that. So let's just go ahead and try it. Import. Once you hit the import button, it's going to take you to an interface that says, all right, where does this file come from? Did you create it through 401k Checkup? The tool itself, is it an import from Raymond James file or from a LPL file or a Google Finance file? And this moves a little quicker when we're not in a recorded mode, just be aware of that. In this instance, we're going to go ahead and look at, say, a Raymond James business. And all that comes in is the symbols, name, and allocation. So we'll choose one of these files, client IRA, open it, and upload it. As you can see, there's the various links we've already pre-programmed. So if you have Google Finance and you export the portfolio to your desktop, you can import that. The LPL Financial Brokers have that feature, so does Raymond James. If you're a Raymond James client and you go to your Advisor Access, you can actually export portfolios and bring it in. And if you're just working within our tool itself, anything you create here and save as an exported file is identified as 401k Checkup. And it just brings in. Once it's grabbed this stuff, it takes you to this buffer page where it displays everything that is in your portfolio, the symbol, the name, and the allocation. And if anything wasn't in our database, it would be highlighted in red. We aggregate all the cash positions as a cash entry under DBAXX, the simple money market. That's just a convenient feature. So once that's confirmed, we want to go forward. We just hit import now, and it takes and populates the tool. So it quickly expedites how fast you can start work on an existing portfolio and make changes. And again, the screen moves a little quicker when you're not in a recorded mode. Let's see. Once you're here, you're going to see the page change and the interface page will reload. And on the simulation box where you're going to kick off the live scans, which we've looked at before, you're going to see the entire portfolio. From there, any changes we want to make can be added, subtracted, and we run simulations on it. Let's see. Might be a good time to mention that any position here, if there's multiple positions across several accounts, then they'll be aggregated together if you're looking at multiple accounts. And that's done automatically for you. And once again, the only information that's grabbed is the symbol, the description of the investment, and the value. There it is. That's the client portfolio you're working on. So now I'm going to sort it by amount, and I can look at what is the largest positions to the smallest positions, and I can slowly begin to delete something, replace that dollar amount with the alternative I'm experimenting with. And that's essentially how you use the import feature to start work on the tool. Hope that's convenient, and thank you for your patience.